How to delete emails all at once on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. Once you're here, go to the top and tap on Inbox. You can view all your mails over here. If you want to delete these mails, then go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, select the mails you want to delete from here. If you want to delete all the mails instead, then tap on Select All at the top left corner. After that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Trash. Tap on Trash All to confirm. You have now successfully deleted all your mails. Following these steps, you can easily delete emails all at once on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.